Save on high-speed train tickets with JetSMART. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book a train with JetSMART. So let's get into it. Now, JetSMART is a pretty versatile website. They have a lot of different options. They have hotels, they have flight options, they even have transfer options, which is, train tickets. So in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. Before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below for the website. You can go ahead and click on it. You can even go ahead and check out some promo codes and discount codes that are also going to be there that you can apply on your bookings to save a bunch of money. So make sure you check that out as well. Next, you're going to come over here. And here you've got your JetSMART website. Then here you can see you have all these different options. You can even create an account by clicking on the login button, and here down below you have the account option, registration section. You can go ahead and register your account over here. Then you're going to come over here and select between all of these options, and we're going to select transfer. All right, this is powered by Car Travel, so keep that in mind. They have a bunch of different options. You can go ahead and select it. So here you can go with a trip, one way, enter your hotel address and your pickup or drop off location, if you want to call it. Then your pickup dates and return dates, add in passengers, and then hit the search button. So to go ahead and search for it. So what we'll do is here we'll enter in our hotel. I don't really know, but yeah, we'll go with Los Angeles Airport. Yeah, and then here we'll just go with here. All right, and for the date, I'll just put in a random date, and there we go, 2 passengers, and hit the search button. And here we have some car options as well, so it's pretty cool. I think they might have changed their train or train tickets section, yeah, okay, so they might have changed their train ticket option, so I guess it's now cars. Yeah, I guess that's how you can book some high-speed cars or high-speed transfer from one city or to another. Thank you for watching, and until next time, make sure to check the link in the description below for those coupon codes. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.